Stay tuned and take note. Here are some ideas to help you take your piano top decor from everyday to holiday. Layering is key for designing a look with dimension. Coordinate accent pieces both on top of and beside the piano to create a well-rounded, cohesive display. Don't forget to arrange artwork above it for height and depth. Switching things up for fall starts with a warmer color palette. Think shades of brown, tan, and orange. Bring in seasonal staples like pumpkins, pampas grass, and other natural elements to achieve a cozy harvest time look. Get your piano ready for Christmas caroling with classic greenery and wintry embellishments. Add a large focal point over the piano. Then balance out the display with smaller holiday accents on each side. Just a few simple updates throughout the year will keep your piano top decor on trend and in season, creating a noteworthy atmosphere for sharing music and memories. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.